Hello everyone and welcome you all to Quick Solutions for All India Cash Test Series Medical 2019. Today I am going to take up the zoology part of the paper, which is test paper number 6, code ENF in zoology. So let's get started with our very first question. Question number 136. Internal bleeding leading to anemia, muscular pain, fever and blockage of intestine are the common features of, and the options are amoebiasis, malaria, ascariasis and typhoid. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, ascariasis. Ascariasis is caused by an asci helminth called Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris lumbricoides infects intestine in human beings and may cause anemia. Internal bleeding is caused due to release of certain toxins by the parasite. Fever may be caused due to eosinophilia, that is increase in number of eosinophils, and increase in number of parasite may cause blockage of intestine. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option given is amoebiasis, and this is an incorrect option. Amoebiasis is a protozoan disease caused by ant amoeba histolytica and characterized by constipation, cramps and stools with excessive mucus and blood clots. The next option given is malaria, and this is an incorrect option. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium and cycles of fever and other symptoms are observed in this disease. The next option is typhoid, and this is an incorrect option. Typhoid is a bacterial disease caused by Salmonella typhi. And some common symptoms are sustained high fever, weakness, stomach pain and loss of appetite. Intestinal perforation and death may occur in severe cases. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 137. All of the following are common infectious disease except, and the options are common cold, hepatitis B, cancer and ringworm. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, cancer. Infectious or communicable diseases are easily transmitted from one person to another, such as common cold, hepatitis B and ringworms. So these are the incorrect options because these are infectious diseases. On the other hand, cancer is a non-infectious and non-communicable disease that do not spread to other persons by touch, etc. Among non-infectious or non-communicable diseases, cancer is the major cause of death. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 138. Elephantiasis is caused by a worm known as, and the options are Ancylostoma duodenale, Entamoeba histolytica, Wuchereria bancrofti and Treponema pallidum. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, Wuchereria bancrofti, because Wuchereria bancrofti, which is commonly known as filarial worm, causes filariasis, also known as elephantiasis, a helminthic infection in which swelling of leg, foot and sometimes scrotum due to blockage of lymphatic vessels are seen. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option given is Ancylostoma duodenale, and this is an incorrect option because it causes ancylostomiasis. The next option is Entamoeba histolytica, and this is an incorrect option because it causes amoebiasis. And the last option is Treponema pallidum, and this is an incorrect option because Treponema pallidum is a bacteria which causes a sexually transmitted infection known as syphilis. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 139. Enzyme which can synthesize DNA from RNA is, and the options are reverse transcriptase, DNA polymerase, protease and integrase. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, reverse transcriptase. Reverse transcriptase is an enzyme which can synthesize complementary DNA. Abbreviated as cDNA from RNA. The next option given is DNA polymerase, and this is an incorrect option. DNA polymerase synthesizes a new strand of DNA complementary to an existing DNA template in 5' to 3' direction. The next option is protease, and this is an incorrect option. Protease is an enzyme which acts on proteins. And the next option is integrase, and this is an incorrect option. Integrase is a viral enzyme that enables its genetic material to be integrated into DNA of host cell or infected cell. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 140. Mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue, MALT, constitutes nearly what percentage of total lymphoid tissue present in our body? And the options are 10%, 30%, 50% and 20%. And this is a direct question from your NCERT book that mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue constitutes 50% of total lymphoid tissue present in our body. This is a direct question and the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue is present in lamina propria layer of mucosal membrane of digestive tract, reproductive tract or respiratory tract and constitute nearly 50% of total lymphoid tissue. Now let's proceed to the next question.